Alright guys, welcome back. Today, look what I have. I only opened it a little bit before I was like, I'm gonna do a video, screw it. Today I got a mystery box from Simple Lots. It's from Amazon liquidation. And it was a $100 mystery box. It said all new items. And it said profit value of $500. So honestly, I'm gonna jump right on in. I actually gotta go to the phone store before they close. So I just wanna see what's in here. Yes, Leah. Yeah, come in. No, Leah. Can mommy do it first? Yeah. She's like, I wanna see. We can see together. Okay, so starting out, it looks like we have some file folders.
Take me away. I don't want to fall get away.
You don't want to fall away. Come on, stay right here with mommy.
Okay.
Okay. And it looks like we have file folders.
And a doctor too.
Let's see. This light. I
And
gotta
a
close
paper
this.
and papers too.
I gotta close this. So they could see my Leah here. Alrighty. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Alrighty. So we got some letter file folders with erasable tabs. So I guess this is good for the school age kids or the office person. There's 5 of them, 4 of them. They didn't tell me exactly how many items is going to be in there, but they did say that the value was $500 at least. So we'll see. Alright, so we got 4 file folders set. So that's 4 things so far. Who knows what the resale value is? Let me see. And this is OptiTurn. So normally when this has that tag on it, it's a store return from like maybe Target. Normally it's like Target or Boxster. It's not. Let's see what size it is. It says medium. This is a little big for you, Leah. Mommy's just going to put this in her store. This is new without tag. But it's definitely new. I can tell it's new. A lot of these store returns, yeah, baby, it's going to go into the store. A lot of these store returns, they have to cut off the label now. I guess it's an agreement so that the people like me, when I get it, I don't take it into the store. Of course, I wouldn't do it, but people, when they get things like this and they're still new with tags, they'll just take it back to the store and try to return it, and they're like, you're not going to do it. Alrighty, so this is a iPhone charger, model, 4-inch braided, sync cord, cool. What's this? Platinum? Oh, wait.
No,
for Apple
Mommy.
Watch, 38mm chain link band. What?
It's a watch, Mommy. It's a watch.
Let me scan. Oh, my phone. Oh, I'm recording on my phone. Alright, I don't know how much this is worth, but I'm definitely going to look that up. That's going to give me a couple bucks. Focus center, Target.
What?
Clarity, engage,
Wait,
focus.
hold on.
Rosemary, lavender. Oh, it's humidifier stuff. Aromatherapy blend for humidifiers. Rosemary, lavender, and lemon is focused. Zone in, not out. Aw. It's probably something I need to use. Alright. Screen shield. Another one of these chargers. Oh wow. Another Apple Watch band. Woven nylon band. Oh my god, what is this for? Apple iPhone 7. These phones have gotten so ridiculously big these days. The phone is bigger than my hand almost. Look at this. A super cute case though. Super cute. Brand new, unopened cell phone case.
Mommy.
You can see that one. It's a pretty cell phone case. Oh, Leah's gonna love this, and this will actually sell really good for me. I don't know why people love these things.
I want to see the one card.
Hatchimal eggs.
I want to see the one card, Mommy. I want to see the one card.
There you go. That's Hatchimals. Don't open it, Leah Squia. I don't let her use those type of things. So another charger. So we're looking at 3 chargers so far. 2 of them are USB. One of them is the lighting for the iPhone. Then we have 2 Apple bands, 1 case, 1 screen protector. We have 2-pack running lights.
Mommy, what?
I actually use those for in the freezer at work when I'm working on the trucks and stuff.
I love these eggs.
You like this egg, don't you?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
love these
Travel
eggs
adapter with
before.
USB port. your car. Maybe I'll do like a phone. Oh, charging case for Bluetooth earbuds. Oh, cool. So I guess you like charge this up and you charge your earbuds up with this. Maybe I'll do like a little cell phone light. What's this? Dog collar, squeaker, color lava red.
Something to get.
Light up, safety protects, keeps them safe.
Let's
see. Oh, it's a light up thing when you're walking the dogs at night. I'm gonna give this to my friend Christopher for Jade. Oh, it's for big dogs too. Looks like. Let me see. You wanna see? We're gonna give. Oh, it's a size small. Fully.
I'll try it.
I'm gonna try. Push the button. And then push it again. And then look, it goes slow. I'll let her play with that. This right here is a solar lantern. Okay.
No.
A lantern for any time, any place. Powerful, compact, portable. I guess this is something you good to keep in your car. I don't know. Solar light.
Oh, I need this.
What is this? What is this?
Mommy, let's open
Oh,
it.
wow. I like stuff like this.
I
A motion control RC flying
Mommy, I
Superman.
wanna see
Wait, Leah. You want to see it? Okay. Look at that. Who is this?
Batman.
No, it's Superman.
Superman.
I'm actually probably just going to give this to my son. We're going to probably go right outside right now. If it's not raining. And check this out while we're waiting to see if my phone can get fixed. This is cool. It's like a little remote controller down here. And then Superman flies. That's cool. I like this. Alright. Oh, Green Mountain Coffee. K-Cups.
Green Mountain Cup.
It's like Christmas edition. Yes, baby. You ready to go? Alright, give mommy 2 minutes.
Well, I'm helping you though.
Okay. You want to come help? Come say hi.
Hello, you too.
Come on this way. Step around.
We're gonna do this box.
No, we're doing this box.
Oh, okay.
Come to the camera so they can see you.
Wait, I don't know. Wait,
Look, alright, here. I'll bring the camera to you. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, you too.
Alright. You're on mommy's channel. So what do you want to hand me? Oh wait, well this is a K-Cups. It's coffee.
Okay, gotcha.
It looks like it has 15 K-Cups. But I'm trying to look at the expiration date because that's what matters
Yeah,
here.
look, I got 2 eggs. I got eggy. I just want it.
And they're already expired. It says Best Buy July 23rd of 2018. So they're definitely expired already. But it's coffee, so I'm going to just give them to my friends. Give it to my friend Jim. He drinks coffee and he will not care that it expired a couple months ago. Yes, baby.
After this box, we're going to do this box, okay?
No, we're only going to do this box right here. This is the only box that I got. Hey. Focus, focus. This is the box that we're giving YouTube a review on. Okay? And none of these things are for us. They're for the store. But this right here, you're definitely going to be able to keep.
Yay. That's my surprise.
Let me read it to you what it says. It says it's a Superman motion control RC flying Superman. So you'll use this little controller to fly him. So when we go to the phone store in a minute, when I'm finished with this video, we'll
That's my surprise.
check it out. Yes, baby. If you want that to be your surprise. I gave you your surprise already.
Leah already get it, Leah's.
This is just stationery. I was trying to read it to see. I guess it's invitations and envelope.
Well, that's the occasion of this YouTuber.
Oh, I got a wallet in here. Oh, it's a mobile phone insignia clutch case.
What is that?
It's a cell phone case for your
Well,
wallet.
comments
It's like
down
a
below.
wallet.
Comment down below if you like our channel.
Comment down below if you like our channel.
Mommy.
Hmm?
You can put something else in it.
What are we gonna put in it?
Mom, I don't see what is
There.
the controllers?
So, this is the controller, the little thing. So this is definitely a cell phone case, clutch, wallet. You put your phone, a couple little things.
It's like almost like a cell phone, like when you call on your phone.
Mm-hmm.
That's like almost like a hamburger zombie bread. That's not
Everything's in zombies for you. It looks like Apple Watch.
Apple Watch.
Military protective bumper case, space gray.
Empty,
This thing
Mommy.
looks like it
It's
slid out of my
empty.
leg. It's a bumper case for your Apple Watch.
Apple Watch?
And it's still new in case you guys
Apple
literally
Watch.
just alone in Apple products. I know these watch bands at a low can go for like $5 to $10 bucks. But some of them go for like 20, 30 to 40 bucks. So I'm going to look into these Apple things, and since I have the watch band and the bumper case, I might and the charger, I might really just lock these things together and maybe like 40, 50 bucks.
Like
5 pieces together.
you do like it's like 903. Like you could buy something. Like 43, you go buy or
Buy
130, or everything you could buy like something like everything like groceries.
Galaxy Tab, A6
watches.
cover.
Yeah, it's nice. Is it?
I guess this is a reader cover. It's a book cover for the Tab A.
I want to see the book.
7.0. I don't know. It's just a little cover.
Well, let me see. Can I see that?
But it's authentic. Share, he just wants to see it. He's not going to keep it. Okay, carbon activated air filter starter kit.
She don't want to share. She don't want to see.
She don't want to share? It's alright. It's about another things you can share. I don't know what this is for. Pure air carbon activated air filter starter
Mommy,
kit.
can I open this?
Yeah, but not right now. Later, once I get finished with this.
Mommy,
That's a tough box to open. I don't want you to get cut on that plastic.
I want to get in this box.
You want to get in this box?
Yeah.
Galaxy Edge protective cover. You want to go in that box? It's almost empty.
Mommy,
For LG, another case.
I'll help you pass it to you, okay?
LG G4. Okay, you can pass me something else.
Okay,
This right here is another charger. A quick charge, car charger.
No,
So I have two
wait,
of those.
pick one.
Okay, give me one. Alrighty.
No,
This
first.
is, wow, another Apple Watch band. This is nice. I'm kind of happy with this. Is this even zooming in? There we go. Apple Watch band. So I have 3 bands so far. Hold on.
One last one.
And then I have a
It's not empty.
Pixel case by Google.
Google what?
I think it's a Google Pixel.
Google.
The reflection is not that great in there.
Google.
I mean,
Mommy.
there's no sunlight. Wall charger.
Mommy, there's a last thing.
What's this? Let's see what this is. Okay. Platinum. iPad Pro protective sleeve.
Hey, I never had that before. I really want that.
We don't need this. We got a case for our iPads already. Let me turn this on. Just waste the battery. And then there's this big box. So far, I actually stopped counting the products. So far, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 31, 32, 33 items so far. And then 34. Get up, baby. Get up. 34, 35 because of her Hatchimals. And then I have another box.
Let me help you open it.
Big box alert.
Can I help you open it?
Give me a second. Let me get a starter piece going for you. Wait, Best Buy. Wait.
Best Buy.
It says Best Buy. No, you're not going to help Mommy open this box, okay? Because this could be an electronic. And I don't want to rough it up too much more than we already did. We're treating this box like there's a bunch of peanuts in this box.
Peanut.
I want to say what's in it.
Me too.
We were trying to wait for Dad so he could open it with us, but he had to go run some errands. So
You mean Leah's? Yeah.
you want to get this?
Huh?
All right, pull that top piece off. All right.
Oh,
What is this?
What is this? You too.
I don't know.
What is this? And comment if you know what this is.
Okay. Oh, it's a little bunch of gift bags.
Gift what?
Let me see what else is in there. It's like literally stuff in the gift bag already.
Stop,
I'm
Leah.
excited already. I don't know why. It says enjoy. They're pre-stuff. Okay.
Okay, Mom.
They're pre-stuffed gift bags, and it has a card in there that says enjoy. That has a card, a sleeve for the card, tissue paper, And then a gift bag, and this is a very sturdy gift bag too. And then it has enjoy on there.
And what?
To and from. I like this. This is actually. I like this. Let me see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What do you gotta say to YouTube before we sign out, Judy?
Our stores.
And Leah's in the box. You're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky.
I want to get in there.
Little night
Yeah,
sky.
but I forgot. Take off your shoes.
You gotta take off your shoes, she says.
But I can't. I want to leave my shoes on.
This is Leah. This is my 2-year-old. That's the closet back there. We're in my office. Work mode. This is Leah. She's my 2-year-old. And this is, what's your name, buddy?
Elijah.
How old are you?
5.
What grade are you in?
First grade.
What? What grade are you in?
Second grade. Kindergarten.
There we go. All right, guys. Well, honestly, for my first mystery box that I've ever done, I am super happy. I got all of this Apple stuff for the Apple Watch and the iPod cases, and even this box of little goodies right here. This makes me happy, to be honest with you. So this, I'm gonna see if it fits around Jade's neck. She's my friend's pit bull. If it can't fit her, then that's just gonna get listed. All of these iPhone things, I'm super excited about getting those listed. So I just want you guys to know, listen, this is the real deal here. This is exactly what a day in the life of a full-time mom and reseller, part-time chef, whatever, get her done her. You tune it out. Have a great day. Peace and love. You guys give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you didn't, give me a comment and tell me what I should do better. Peace and love.
Bye, YouTuber.
Say peace and love.
Get the apple.
No peace and love. Later.